This is a 2009 BMW M3. This car has a manual transmission and a V8. Its top features include BMW Assist, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a carbon fiber roof, a locking differential, cornering lights, traction control and stability control systems, a power retractable hardtop, stylish 18-inch forged alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, a toolkit, rear curtain airbags, air vents for rear-seated passengers, and this vehicle has less than 24,000 miles. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.